出来。好。好。The checks from Primalaser company. I would like to recommend our paper laser cutting machine. Some advantages than other suppliers from China. This is our structure of Primalaser. This machine is steel welded body, totally heating treatment. Heating treatment can guarantee the machine body no deform during the use. And the machine is very heavy and strong body. You're gonna see. And the machine is totally polishing and machining by the laser center. So the accuracy is very, very good. You can see our polishing and the machining accuracy is very, very good. And the tier rank is from Germany, ROR company. The guideline is from Taiwan, original from Taiwan. And with this small device can control its fixing position, no movement. And from here, you can see this is our aluminum forging beam. It's light and strong, very strong. It can give the high speed during the cutting. And it's forging steel, so it's very strong. No deformation during the cutting. And here we will install the servo motor. We have the Yoshikawa and the Japan Fuji motor. And from the inside, here we have the trash car to remove the rubbish outside. And there is the smoke purifying. It can remove the dust and smoke outside from the body. our machine body is very strong. If you buy 1 kilowatt firstly, later you can upgrade to 2 kilowatts and 3 kilowatts, and with no problem. This is a Prima newly finished and 2 kilowatts IPG paper laser cutting machine. The buyer is from America. This one is equipped with Japan, Germany IPG 2 kilowatts, and we can give the international after-sales service with a special after-sales team. Our biggest advantages is firstly is our high quality with good quality components. The second is our after-sales service. We can send technician from China, and we also have technician in some nations like America, Thailand, Colombia, Europe, and so on. We can give the on-site training and installation. We give 2 years warranty for all the components and 5 years warranty for all the structures. If we would like to recommend all customers buy Primalaser, and you will get the good quality running machines. Welcome to China. Welcome to Primalaser company.